I'm Ben. I've been working at Belfe bikes for the last 8 years. We sell a wide range of bikes here. Here at Belfe we have regular customers that have been coming to us for years. Our workshop here at Belfe Bikes is a very busy workshop. We are doing loads of different repairs through the day. Space comes at a cost in workshops, and bulky, noisy compressors can get in the way. Any products in the workshop that can make our lives easier as mechanics is always welcome. The ABAC XPN has been very easy to use. It's got a universal fitting for both presser and trader pumps, so popping the inflation gun onto the valves has been no problem at all. The efficiency, the speed of using it is far greater than spending a few minutes on every tyre. It's a couple of seconds. The ABAC XPN is easily mounted to the wall, and given that it's got a 10-metre retractable hose, it means that we can use it all over the workshop. The ABAC XPN has been great. We can pump up tyres much quicker now. We spend far more time with our customers than using your standard normal floor pump, which is key to being in a retail environment.